Yeah, what do we got?
Wedl.
Jefferson, Wisconsin, folks. We're seen in Center Street. It's been on our list of places to hit for about 3 years now. Saw them on Discover, Wisconsin. Place has been open for like over 60 years.
We need to get our condiments.
Yeah, they got pickles and stuff over there. Looks pretty good.
This is the single. It goes all the way up to a triple.
And it was like about $3.50 for a single, $5 for a double. I imagine $7 for a triple. And you get onions. No lettuce, no tomato.
No Coke, Pepsi.
Pepsi.
One cheeseburger, one Pepsi. Cheeseburger, Pepsi.
Cheeseburger, 4 Pepsi, 2 cheap.
Cheeseburger, 2 Pepsi, 1 cheap.
So they even have pickle bags. So when you get your burger, you can put your own pickles on, mustard and ketchup, and steak sauce. As I said before, no lettuce or tomato.
No Coke, Pepsi.
So what do you think? You gonna give it a try? Or you got to get your. Over there is mustard and ketchup. Alrighty.
Look at this. Single cheese.
The meat's like a slider meat.
Yeah.
White Castles, if you guys are familiar. But it's a little bit bigger.
Good.
Was it worth the 2-hour drive?
Definitely.
We're about an hour west
Very good.
of Milwaukee. Maybe a half hour, 45 minutes east of Madison, Wisconsin, and probably an hour and 45 minutes to the Illinois-Wisconsin border, folks. Jefferson, Wisconsin. Wedl's, guys. Awesome little hole in the wall that you're not gonna see anywhere else. Come on out and get a burger, but they're closing in the middle to late October. It's only like a 9-month type of deal here. It's a summer thing. Look at that.
One cheeseburger, one Pepsi. Cheeseburger, Pepsi.
Cheeseburger, 4 Pepsi, 2 cheap.
Cheeseburger, 2 Pepsi, 1 cheap.